tu te in zawai in chibei vek ule HOFPAR coaching center ayo in chibei ke buk vek chewa ke hi FCL khazwali kania HOFPAR coaching center a thoklai mek kani tin he kan video hi kan aspirants kan Zirlaite ta na buatsaih kan ni a in lo hlok pui thau kan bei se a tin he kan video a hian Mizoram Public Service Commission hwaya post rock omte currency zau don ni Mizoram Public Service Commission hwaya hian MCS Mizoram Civil Service kan ti te MPS Mizoram Police Service kan ti te MIS Mizoram Information Service kan ti te le MFNAS Mizoram Finance and Account Service post hi an omani merge ni sompanga sanghi somhi pakhat khan MPSC chuan thuchwa siamin junior grade of MCS atan mi pasari baka persons with benchmark disability atan post khat a reserve poka tichuan MPS atan post hriattir omin MFNAS atan post hriattir omboka MIS tan post liruak ombokani tichuan avayin 28 post ruak omtinani chu amairo chu 16 August 2021 khan MPSC chuan thuchwa dang siamin MCSB katan post sari aron siambela tichuan PWBD tiam lovin avayin MCSB kha 14 post tinani chu tichuan MPSC hnuaya post ruak zong hi post sumthum panga alo ni tani tichuan he kan video bi ka chuan kan aspirants tatan MCSB khi currency zawanga achan chu MPSC in thu atarle nangin ninga September 2021 thleng hian application ala thelu theiwangani The Mizoram Gazette 2020 in atarle nangin Article 309 of the Constitution be chanin rules felfai tak MCS MPS MIS le MFNAS tan siamani The Mizoram Gazette 2020 in atarla nangin Article 309 of the Constitution be chana felfai taka soi hawani nu a rules MPS MCS MIS le MFNAS tan felfai taka siamani MCS a hian preliminary examination main examination and personal interview a oma preliminary examination a hian objective type multiple choice question a oma main examination ero hi chu written exam ni in general studies 1 2 3 4 a omba ka optional paper 1 le 2 a om thinani tichuan main exam a tling 10 Schedule 2A be chana anlo siam medical examination chu nei le ani ang heta tlinglo ti chu disqualified ni in personal interview atan pon antel theilawang tichuan commission hian combined final ranking list an siam hian personal interview le main examination marks chakha an count to thinani prelim examination ero khachu an count to ngai lo ani tichuan marks in ang hu anlo omani ero chuan general studies b ka musang zo kha da puimo anni ba ka kumlama a upazo kha da puimo masak anni ang conditions of eligibility wakhatna article 5 to 7 of the constitution in atarla nangin applicant chu India khwale tui ani ngei turani pani na adil tu chu Mizorama omnget mi ngei ani turani pathumna dil tu chu kumsum ni pakhat aya upatuni ma se kumsum thum panga ain a upatur ani lawani palina recognized university sa chang bachelor degree an nei ngei turani pangana dil tu chuan DCA Diploma in Computer Application emo course on Computer Concept CCC certificate anenge turani parukna dil tu chuan middle school standard mizo tongtal athiam ngei turani pasarina Persons with benchmark disabilities tetan post-work siam sakchin niin ama ero chu recognized universities atang 40% tal an score turani chubaka PWBD tetan hian fees choi ve ngai lo ani pariatna dil tu chuan commission thu chwa angin fees apenge ngei turani dil tu hi recognized universities changa final result alam mulawani chuan prelim exam tier thei anianga ama ero chu main examination na angai to wangin athe lut ngei turani athe lut lawani chuan kha applicant kha disqualified ani ang MCS scale of pay hi level 10 ni in thlatin 56,100 atang 1,24,500 thlengani khati zung khania in lo lok pui ngei ka besia this one 5th September 2021 ma hian application la thelu char thia chuwang chuan kan hnenah coaching ran kal te che kan lo buaipui ang che this one ini tum ti lo tling turin ke ran pen te le